for joining us today at Diamond MotorCars in Long Beach, California. Today we are checking out this 1947 Willys CJ-2A. This was the Jeep before the Jeep. And this CJ-2A is the model following the Willys MV, which the United States used in combat during World War II. Following the war, they wanted a vehicle that was a little bit more economic and that could be used in the industrial zones and farming here in the US. So this is what they came up with. It's a 4-cylinder. The tires have a lot of tread left. It's this nice orange rusted color. Here it says Desert Troop Search and Rescue Squad, 1972, State of Arizona. This would surely be a very fun project vehicle. It's really fun to drive. I've ridden in it. I cannot drive it myself. If you can drive this, I know it's a stick shift. Surely you would have a lot of fun. Comes equipped with the spare tire, the gas can, and a shop rag. This is a really nice find, going for a pretty good price here at Diamond MotorCars. And we are excited for whoever gets to take this home.